got here is a 1448 all well. It's like a 1994. It's an old model. Recently, about 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago, we got this boat painted. I used it a good bit. They painted it and they put a clear coat over it. Worst thing ever on this type of clear coat, on this clear coat, on this paint. And I did the deck. I put an aluminum deck down, and we got a whole bunch of custom work done to it. More or less what I'm trying to say is bare metal, no paint, no primer, nothing, and it was painted. Well, now 2 years later, I'm having to take all the paint off, all of it, and I'm gonna have to repaint it. Sand it all down, wash it, get it all ready to paint it. If you want to watch a full video on sanding the boat down, getting it prepped, getting it ready to repaint it, and we're putting SeaDek down. So if you're thinking about putting SeaDek down or that stuff on Amazon that's called EVA foam, subscribe, get ready. Why you should buy EVA foam and why you shouldn't buy EVA foam. So let's get to it. Baby, the boat is on some coolers. That's right. I got it pretty much all sanded down, stripped down. It looks bad, looks nasty, but we're about to bring this thing to life. So since I got it all sanded, you got an aluminum boat, and do not put soap. Don't put soap. Don't put any type of soap. Aluminum boat, you want to put some type of anti-acid. Don't wipe it down with paint thinner, stuff like that. I got some stuff called aluminum bright. And you know, if I got gloves on, you already know the shit ain't nothing to play around with. All right, you could put it in a bottle, you could put it in like one of those little pump sprayers or whatever. You could detox it. When I mean detox, I mean put 50% aluminum bright, 50% water, but I just put straight aluminum, and we got some little spray bottles. So I'm gonna spray it, rinse it off, get the water out, let it dry, then we're gonna throw some primer.
Let's move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.
All right, guys, so I pretty much got everything taped off. I know the motor cover isn't completely covered, but I know where I'm gonna spray it, the angle and everything, to make sure I don't get any overspray on the motor cover. And if I do, I'm gonna have a rag. I'm gonna hurry up and wipe it. Peace, man. Thanks. I pulled it up on the trailer a little bit, give it a little angle, let that water drain. We're gonna unstrap it, and we're gonna spray some primer. All right, she's coming along nice. She's coming along nice. We got a little coat primer on. Didn't want to go too crazy, but she's looking like a hunting boat now. And y'all thought I was going black. It's already dry. But in the middle of spraying this thing, the air compressor, it just went boom and died. So good old Harbor Freight just went by a brand new one, but I was like, you know what? Just see this air compressor, see if it still works. Sure enough, she works. So, once I'm done painting, it looks like I'm gonna have to go and return air compressor. All right, she's come out super nice. We got pretty much like one coat done. I had another gallon of paint right here, but she's hard as brick. And the paint store was already closed. So we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to finish this baby off. It happens. She's come out nice. I love it. Flat black. Last time this boat was like, had like a gloss black, and I just didn't like it, because once like the gloss started fading, I was like, you know what? Flat black. Here we go. Then we gotta do the sea deck next. But let's get till tomorrow.